Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience using IDrive, are available in the description below. IDrive presents a robust cloud storage solution perfect for both individual users and businesses, offering seamless data backup, file syncing, and sharing capabilities. Its focus on security and versatile functionality makes it a leading choice for those seeking comprehensive data protection across a range of devices. A core strength of IDrive lies in its backup functionality, supporting not only cloud backup but also local backups on your devices. This hybrid approach facilitates backing up data from various devices, including PCs, Macs, iPhones, Android smartphones, and even network drives, all consolidated within a single, centralized cloud location. The platform boasts continuous, automatic backups, ensuring your data is consistently protected without requiring any manual intervention. Furthermore, IDrive supports file versioning, enabling you to retrieve previous versions of files as needed, a particularly valuable feature for businesses managing frequent file modifications. IDrive prioritizes security, employing robust 256-bit AES encryption both in transit and at rest, safeguarding your data against unauthorized access. For users seeking an even higher level of security, IDrive offers a private encryption key option. This means that not even IDrive can access your encrypted files, providing you with complete control over your data's privacy. IDrive provides a range of storage plans, starting from a generous 5 TB, making it a suitable option for users with extensive data needs or businesses requiring substantial file storage capacity. A standout feature of IDrive is its capacity to back up an unlimited number of devices under a single account, offering significant value for families or small businesses aiming to simplify their data backup processes. Beyond backup, IDrive facilitates file synchronization and sharing, enabling users to seamlessly sync files across multiple devices and share them securely with others. The mobile apps are well-designed and user-friendly, providing convenient access to your data while on the go. With its comprehensive feature set, IDrive delivers a reliable, secure, and cost-effective cloud storage solution for both individual users and businesses. Check the links in the description below for more information on specific plans and features.